Tina, we don't communicate very well in the middle of the park. That's why we conceded the penalty. Let me show you ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. Mo Salah umake ubani uSithole. Let's communicate bafethu. What does uSithole does? Uyekela uMo Salah. Ne? You cannot leave a player. If umake umuntu, you cannot leave this player uyomaka omunye umuntu bangakamaki. Another player must come and tell you ukuthi hamba uye laphaya. Not ukuthi wena udecidele uyomaka. And remember ukuthi ibhola alikasuki. Ibhola alikasuki, you decide you go there. What happens? They play uMo Salah. Umbatha uyenzani? He wants to come and press. There was no need for him to press. Let them play the ball there, then we go and press. But because we are early, bayenzani sebalidlala laphaya. Watch umukwena uyenzani, he's going to react because there was no communication. Asikhulumi la, asithulile. They play the ball there. He's reacting, one touch, trap, uya-reacta, uslow uyatatazela, asazi kwenzakalani, bayalidlala kuMo Salah. Penalty. It's because no communication. You can't leave a player. You can't leave a player bangakakutshela ukuthi suka kuye. Had they played the ball there, I don't think this penalty would have happened. Mara, okay, sharp. There was no communication. Mara, umutawo, izandla ezani. Yes, we've played ibhola, siyazi ukuthi izandla ziyasebenza. Hayi ebusweni, how many times have you been given a yellow card for the same thing? Bheka manje sesidliwe.